Hi, Alexander here again, trader with 6 years of experience and founder of Trading Academy. In the last two videos, we explored the MACD strategy and opened two trades, both systematic, both logical. Today we continue. I will open the charts again, analyze the market and enter a trade. But this episode will be different. You will see situations that can throw any beginner off the track. What should you do when things don't go as planned? How do you stay calm and keep trading systematically? Watch closely. This episode will reveal if you trade consciously or emotionally. So let's get started. Chart is open, just watching, calm start, no extra move. Just waiting for the right signal, guys. The market is flat, price is moving sideways. Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all, guys. Still observing, no clear signal yet, but that's part of the job. Patience is key. And my advice to you guys, if you want to trade successfully, please pick the top 5 currency pairs in the world. Sticking with this pair, a bit more movement now, but nothing solid yet. I'm waiting for confirmation. So momentum is building, MACD is getting closer to a crossover from above, the SAT still looks overbought. This signal is getting stronger. Watching the MACD lines, crossover is coming almost time. So guys, price spikes a little bit, but MACD is nearly crossing, full focus now. There it is, crossover from above, time to act. So I enter the trade downward, $200, 1 minute duration. Trade is live, price pushes up a bit, that's fine, and I'm sticking to the plan. So top 5 cryptocurrencies are, or top 6, Great Britain pound, Japanese yen, US dollar, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, euro. Those are the best pairs. Trade only them. No sign of reversal yet, it happens. Stay calm. Final seconds, looks like the price won't drop. That one is going to close negative, I think. So let's think, let's wait. And yeah, guys, unfortunately it happens. Trade, as I said, closes at a loss. That's okay. It was clean entry, done by the rules, long term, that's what counts. Yeah, it happens because losses are part of the journey. Watching to the chart, guys, the pair is open and no rush, just waiting, nothing active yet. Market is calm right now, yeah. Okay, guys, checking other sets, looking for something cleaner. MACD looks flat on most charts, nothing clear so far. I'm staying with this pair. MACD lines are getting closer, showing potential. No crossover yet, still waiting. So yeah, let's wait for some time. The best. Okay, movement picks up a bit. MACD is getting ready to cross from above. Overbought zone still holding, watching closely. Okay, it's building. I'm preparing to enter, but I need one more confirmation, staying focused. Looks good. The lines are nearly touching. Price is still up. Perfect. That's perfect for a drop. I'm in. $200 down trade, 1 minute, all in line with the system. So the price moves up slightly. I'm not reacting. It's normal. Entry was clean. Now I just wait. It's hovering. Price still hasn't dropped yet. It's okay. But the structure remains valid. We just sit, wait, no panic. So last seconds, and there it goes. Strong move down. That should steal the trade in profit, guys. Done. Win secured. That's how it works. Clear signal, patient entry, and staying disciplined. So guys, today's session ends neutrally overall, but the real lesson here is control. Not losing your cool, not trading emotionally. Losses are part of the journey. Our trading system works all the time. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and share in the comments. How do you handle losing trades? Stay informed, subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I will tackle what to do when trades go against you. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel for daily signals, trading sessions, mentorship, and copy trading. Link below in the description. See you next time. It's only going to get more interesting. Bye.